Looking for the perfect weekend project? Make the most of your outdoor space for the family with a DIY tire swing. Follow these easy steps to enrich your home. First, make sure you have the following tools and materials. You can find nearly everything you need for this project at your local Koymon store. If you have a used tire, make sure it's in reasonable condition and you can use a pressure washer to remove any dirt and grime. Measure the outer circumference of the tire. Divide this number by 3. You'll use this measurement to mark and evenly space the holes. Drill your holes at these locations between the wall and the tread of the tire using a flat drill bit in a size that fits your rope. You can also make 3 holes at the bottom to drain any water. If you prefer not to paint and to keep your tire the classic black, you can skip the following step. To paint your tire, use an outdoor primer. This allows for better application of your top coat. Apply a single coat and allow to dry. Once it is dry, coat the next layer with spray paint in the color of your choice. Give it time to dry completely. Choose a sturdy tree branch to hang your swing from. The branch should have a diameter of at least 6 inches. Measure your rope by calculating the height from the ground and the distance from the tree branch. The bottom of the tire should be high enough that your feet don't touch the ground. The distance to the trunk should be about 10 feet. When you first use the swing, the ropes will stretch and it will hang lower to the ground, so take this into consideration when choosing your height. Once you have these measurements, cut your rope with a knife. To prevent the end from fraying, you can either use electrical tape to hold it together or carefully expose the end of the ropes to a controlled flame to melt and bind the ends. Insert the end of each rope through the holes in the tire and thread through the metal washers. Tie a strong knot on the inside to secure it. For a permanent installation, protect the tree branch by passing the rope through a tube to prevent damage to the tree. When hanging it, loop the rope over the branch and tie a strong 8-knot. Use the carabiner clip to secure the swing at the desired height. Attach a wire clamp to the top of each rope. This way you can still adjust the height of the tire if needed, tighten by hand, or use a wrench. You can use the clamp to adjust the rope to the right height, so if the rope stretches, you can still adjust if necessary. For extra security, tie a knot under each clamp and cut the remaining pieces of rope. Are you ready to give it a try? Impress yourself.